our measures tend to focus on lagging indicators. And that's good, I wouldn't challenge that at all. But the real question is, what are your leading indicators that give folks an indication of what they can do to improve the performance of the organization? Most folks want to do a good job. I have no doubt about that. The organization, though, has to create an environment where they can do a good job. We have to, make sure there's something in it for them that might motivate them. And most of the time it's not money. It's just greater work satisfaction, greater ease of getting the job done, less stress and hassle. People have to participate in creating those changes so that they have a sense of ownership, a sense of purpose in that. And then put systems in place, practices in place that allow them to do that better using their feedback and input that then becomes part of the solution.